Hello guys, today we go here VW Golf GTI 56 plate, and the having trouble with the boot latch, bonnet latch, so it's not looking properly because as you can see inside here the cable has broken or just jump out from the security harness. So yeah, we need to remove this panel off. The panel holding with two bolts each side, one over here and the other one in this corner. And it should be come out. Oh yeah, there's a little clip over here, just pull that one and take this off, easy peasy. And the latch holding with another two bolt, yeah, that two off. And here we go guys, this is the cable we're going to replace, and unfortunately we can't get this part from outside the dealer, so we had to go through the dealer. It cost us nearly £20. So complete we don't have to remove the complete cable, the long cable coming from inside the car to here. It's like a little junction box, so just need to unclip this to open the it's a bit hard because it's around the area, a bit corrosion. Ayan, dulu dagang. Cable going through this panel. Let me remove the latch off and remove the cable from here. Yeah, I need a little flyer. To remove this bracket off. It's just a little metal bracket in there, but be careful when you remove the metal bracket. Don't break the plastic housing in it. Yeah, once you open the housing, you can see. Here we go. Cable out, and here we go. This is the cable. Unfortunately, cable is still usable, but unfortunately the plastic, the holding bracket is broken. This is the new part. Just compare with the cable. I don't think it's any different in it. Lengthwise, same length. We had to put there is a little hook here, so we need to put that hook in the right way, otherwise as soon as you pull the handle, the cable coming off again. Hook goes there. Yeah, a bit tricky. Yeah, that hook goes like that, and you had to feed the cable to this plastic bracket, and the plastic bracket should look like that. And there's another looking clip in the back. Here we go, guys. So both bracket locked into the latch. Yeah, it's not coming off. Let me take the camera off, then you can see what I'm doing here. So we have to feed the cable through this hole, and the need to put the latch inside here. When you're pushing this one, be careful, don't break the cable bracket, plastic bracket. So you have to bit wiggle to put inside there. Yeah, latch inside. And you have to feed the cable through the hole. Both bolts going in there. Tighten up the gun. Yep. take this cable out. There's a plastic little bracket here. You have to put that metal bowl in there with the cable, and put this plastic bracket there, and the close little box. Yeah, but make sure you're gonna feed the cable right way round, and make sure you're putting in a correct way. Otherwise, as soon as you pull the handle from inside, so cable gonna jump out. Click. Yeah, and the metal bracket. Yeah, and metal bracket going there. Just push inside. Yeah, that done. Oh yeah, let's try the bonnet. Is it locking or not? Yeah, it's locked. It's opening. Yeah, I want to make sure it's working fine before I cover the front grille. Yeah, it's good to me. Make sure කරගන්න නැත්තම් ඉස්සල්ලා වගේ. Nice. And the yeah, all done. Checking again whether it's secure and nice in the place. Yeah, and the grill going back. Two bolt going to both side. Yeah, pretty much that's it today, guys. So thank you for watching. We will see you with another video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see day-to-day new videos. Yeah, thank you guys. I'll see you with another video.